Good morning, students. This video is for class 4 maths, and today we will start with exercise 9.4. In exercise 9.4, they have asked you to subtract the given decimal. Remember, as I have told you all, that if you want to do, if whenever you have to do subtraction or addition in decimal, one thing you have to keep in mind is that the decimal remains in one straight line. It does not matter that how many numbers are there, how many digits are there, but remember the decimal has to be in one straight line so that you do the correct subtraction. So let us start with question number 1. A. They have given 63.70, 8.35. Now if you observe properly, see, there are 3 digits, but no problem, they have kept the decimal in one straight line. No matter how many digits are there, but the decimal has to be in one straight line. So let us do simple subtraction. 5, 3, decimal, here 5, 5. So this is your answer. So what you have to do is that irrespective of the number of digits, you have to keep the decimal in one straight line. So I hope you can do question number 1. Let us begin with question number 2, where you have to arrange the digit. So there, question number 1 they have said 38.7 minus 17.81. So you have to arrange this first. Let us arrange 38.7, and then they have said 17 point has to be in one straight line and 81. Now you see from where you will subtract the minuend. The minuend has 3 digits, but the subtrahend has 4 digits. So simply in that blank you add 1 0. Adding of 0 at the end of the digit, at the end of the decimal number, does not change the value of the number. So now you do subtraction. Here 9, 8, 0 and 2. This will be your subtraction. So the most important thing here is that you have to arrange the digits properly. Question number C. In question number C, 2C, they have said 25.15 minus 16. Now you see the subtrahend is a whole number. They don't have any, it does not have any decimal number. So let us arrange 25.15. Just because this is a whole number, you have to write here and then decimal 0 0. Remember, if there is a whole number, that whole number should be written in place of whole number, and make that as decimal by adding 0 after giving a decimal. So subtract 5, 1, 9. So I hope you have understood. So if they give you any whole number, just write that whole number and put a decimal in place where you have to put a decimal, and after that just add 0. In the same way, you see question number D, 638.119 minus 98.3. Now you write this first, 638.119. The decimal has to be in one straight decimal, and then before that it is 98, and you have 3. So 2 places empty, so add 0 0. Now you subtract. Here 9, 1, here you will have 7, 9, 3, 5. So this is how you will arrange properly, and then do simple subtraction, how you do subtraction. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is also same like question number 2, but here they have said subtract this from the number. Means, as I have told you, when you have done subtraction, from means the number that is given after the word from, that is bigger number. So let us see question number 3C. They have said subtract 3.987 from 17.6. Now you see this number 3.987 has 4 digit and this has 3 digit, but remember before the decimal the number is a whole number, so it is bigger. So whenever they say from, that means the number that is given after from is the bigger number, so you will write that at the top. So here 17.6 minus, they have given 3 point, so just write point here and 3 here, 987. After writing this, you see these two places are blank, so what will you do? You will simply put 0 and now you do simple subtraction. 3 1 6 3 1. This is how you do simple subtraction. Let me show you one more. Question number F. They have said 585.85 from 6000. So this is a whole number, so you will write 6000 here, 6000, and put 20 for now. 20. Why? Because whatever you have to subtract, it has only 2 digit after the decimal. So for now you will write 2 digit. If it contains 3 digit, you will give 30. If it contains 4 digit, you will write 40. If it contains 1 digit, you will write 10. So 6000.001, and here write the point in the straight line, and then here 585 and here 85. Subtract. Here 5 1 4 1 4 5. So this is how you will arrange and do the subtraction. So children, please do the subtraction properly. Please watch the video and then you try to subtract, so that you don't find it difficult or you don't find how to solve it. So children, please do question number 1, 2 and 3 in the copy. In the next class we will do the remaining sums. So for today, up to this much. Thank you, class.